This is the GSG 16, 22. Only thing I have done to it was add this reflex red dot. It was cheap. I just needed something to put on it. I think it cost me, it was on Amazon. I think it was like 30 bucks until I can get what I really want. Let me get the key for this and open this up for you. Looks almost like a regular MP5 where you can slap the handle, or in this case I'll just do it smoothly. You can, it comes with only one magazine. You have to buy more, which I bought one pack, which comes with two, and it has this handy, there's a magazine holder here. Put that one there. Silencer's not real. It's just, I guess, to keep the barrel length at the legal size. All for show. It is pretty much all made out of polymer. Restock comes all the way up. It's nice to have that little magazine holder here. I don't know what this rail would really be useful for here in the back. It's not really functional, I guess. The rails that are here. The sights are interchangeable. They come with more sights if you'd like, but like I said, I put on the red dot, which works well. It shoots very, very well. It's pretty accurate once you get it sighted in. It's a cool little toy just to play with. If you have any questions or you want to see something else about this, just let me know. Yeah, American Tactical are the ones that import this. It is all German made, including the magazines. If you look, I don't know if you can see it. Hold on. Right there. I don't know if that's going to come in there. All the magazines are German made also, as well as the gun. Comes with that, comes with little gun oil, already packed. This was for the actual Chinese red dot that I got. It was, like I said, it was cheap on Amazon. I just needed something. I was going into the desert shooting, so I needed it. As well as this case. This case was also cheap. It was cheap. The case was actually cheaper than the sight. And the case, I actually liked it. It fits this perfect. It's from Flambeau Tactical, which they are these guys here. They give you a little sticker with it. And it, you know, you can take pieces out of, so you can have extra compartments. You can remove some of the foam, as you can see right here. Let me get down here for you. Right here has separate compartments that you can make, and tie downs, which you can use, which I haven't done. I just use it the way it is. And I always keep, being from the East Coast originally, I always keep these, when I get electronics or anything, I keep them with my firearms, just to keep the moisture out, even though here we don't really have any moisture. And